Make your tile floors sparkle without wax. 5 simple methods. Dear friends, tired of dull tile floors but don't want to use wax? The good news is you can restore that clean, sparkling look with simple methods using everyday household products. Method 1. Warm water and dish soap. Start with warm water and a few drops of mild dish soap. Mop the floor thoroughly, then rinse with clean water. This removes grease and everyday dirt without leaving heavy residue. Method 2. White vinegar solution. For ceramic or porcelain tiles, mix equal parts white vinegar and water. Mop lightly, then rinse well. Vinegar helps break down mineral deposits and dulling residue. Method 3. Baking soda paste. For stubborn spots, mix baking soda with a little water to create a paste. Apply it to the area, gently scrub with a soft brush, and rinse. Method 4. Steam cleaning. A steam mop can loosen dirt trapped in grout lines and textured tile surfaces. It's especially useful for deep cleaning without chemical buildup. Method 5. Final microfiber buff. After cleaning, don't leave the floor wet. Use a clean, dry microfiber mop to buff the tiles. This simple step can make the surface look noticeably brighter. Remember, avoid oily products and excessive detergent. They can actually make tiles look duller. With these 5 simple methods, your tile floors can look fresh, clean, and naturally shiny, without wax. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.